Yo guys, you're welcome to Kwambusco's electrical solution page. So this is a staircase automation lighting system. So on this video I will be taking you through the phases I use in installing this lighting system. So now a client called me all the way from Owerri, Imo State, that he has a job he will want me to execute in Benin City, Edo, Benin City. So this was when I got to Edo State. So the first phase is inspection of the staircase. So this is very important. I have to look where I'll be working and see how I will get my power. So the second phase is chiseling of the wall to enable me run my conduit pipe. So look how neat it is. So look at how neat it is. How beautiful the cracking is, not just randomly. So the third phase is installation of the conduit pipe. So electrical, we have so many kinds of conduit installation. So this one is different from the ones we do as electrician. So this staircase automation has a designated way of installing its conduit to enable you get your required goal. So this was the end point. Look how neat it is. So our jobs are often very neat. However, the pipes will be closed with cement. It is only those four-way boxes that will be visible, where our cables will come out to enable us connect it with the light. So that being said, so we were just two basically working on the side, I and one of my team. So there was no one else to take a video of us while we were doing the wiring. So that's why I couldn't list it out here. So the fifth phase is the installation of the profile. The profile is very important in this lighting system. Without the profile, you can't just install the light on the staircase. So that being said, over here is the final phase, which is the test running. Checking what we came all the way from Owerri to do. So as a matter of fact, the work is done. So I had to ask the tiler that installed the tile to check it. So that was him. The guy, it was the first time of him installing this kind of lighting system. So he was surprised. He stood for a while. He was amazed by the end part. So this is it. This is its outcome. And look how beautiful this looks. So even when the staircase is still not well kept, still dirty, but the presentation of the light makes it look very attractive and complete. And if you look very well, our kind of installation is different from the ones you often see. We make sure everything is done well. So, and we'll make sure why, I know many people will be wondering, I hope when we mop the floor, the tiles, water will not get it damaged. 100% certain it will not. So this is it. This is its outcome. Look how beautiful this looks. So all you need to do is just follow us. Thank you.